How do soap nuts keep your skin glowing and acne-free? When we think of beauty, we all think of creams that are loaded with various chemicals. We all love such creams, because these days even natural medicines are commercialized. Thus we do not know about the benefits of nature. We use different types of creams for facial beauty and forget to use nature. Did you know that no other products can match the beauty of these natural products? The creams we use only give a glow for a few days and then turn the face back to its old color. But natural herbs can change dull skin and give you always glowing skin. In this post, we will see how to keep your face glowing using one of the natural herbs, soap nut. What are the benefits of soap nuts for skin? The saponin included in soap nuts causes the release of filth, oils, and dirt. Because soap nuts are allergy-free, they are healthy for your skin, especially for infants, those with eczema, and people with sensitive skin. Soap nuts are allergy-friendly. They are quite mild on the skin and naturally antibacterial and antifungal. Regularly washing your skin with soap nuts, which is gentle enough to look after your skin, can also help avoid numerous skin disorders. Skin sanitizer, the natural product of soap nuts, is safe for the skin and free of toxins. As a result, it is especially suitable for use during bathing for those with extremely sensitive skin. How to use soap nuts to beautify the face. Face wash gel. What are the preparations for face wash gel? Take a cup of soap nut and remove its seed. On the first day, soak the broken soap nut fruit in water. In another vessel, soak 1/4 cup of almond resin. Next day, put the soap nut fruit in a mixed jar. Add lemon bioenzyme if present. Grind these two well. Filter the ground pulp. Keep it separately in an airtight container. Similarly, grind almond resin with lemon bioenzyme, filter the pulp and keep it in an airtight bottle. How to make face wash gel. Take a mixer and add 2 tablespoons soap nut pulp, 1 tablespoon almond resin pulp and grind well. Now this face wash is ready to use. What are the benefits for this face wash gel? As a natural moisturizer, soap nuts can help prevent dry skin. They can lighten your skin tone and improve your appearance when used as a face cleanser. Externally applied almond gum offers calming and restorative qualities. Almond gum shields skin from free radicals, which cause premature aging. Without the use of any chemicals, this face wash gel is manufactured with only natural components. Soap nut face pack. Take a cup of soap nut and remove its seeds and dry it thoroughly in the sun. After drying, put it in a mixer and grind it to powder. Take 1 tablespoon of soap nut powder and add ½ tablespoon of aloe vera gel and little water to it and mix well. It is ready to apply on the face. How to use this face pack. Apply this face pack on your face and wash your face after 10 minutes. You can also use other natural herbs of your choice. What are the benefits for using this face pack? Soap nut alternative and aloe vera both give a good glow to the skin. Soap nut removes dirt on the face and cleans thoroughly. Aloe vera gives us skin moisture and acne-free glowing skin. How to make soap nut body wash gel. Take heat water in a pan. Then take soap nuts. Remove the seed and put them in water and let them boil well. After boiling, put only soap nut fruits in a mixer jar and grind them well. Add 3 tablespoons soap nut pulp, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg powder, ½ tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon xanthan gum and soap nut boiled water in a bowl and mix well. It looks like a cream in texture. Now it is ready to use as a body wash. What are the benefits for using this body wash gel? Your skin won't suffer any harm when you use soap nuts as a body wash to chill and cleanse it. Additionally, this all-natural product can ease eczema and treat acne. Licorice exfoliates the acne and scars, cocoa powder removes impurities in the skin and brightens the skin. Xanthan gum functions as a thickening, stabilizing, and binding agent. It is in charge of giving skincare a creamy texture. Moisturizers, facial cleansers, creams, lotions, and body washes all include xanthan gum. A well-maintained skincare routine is one of life's great successes in a polite society. Violet Gray. Thanks for watching this video.